Now that I've shown you a couple examples, I want us to talk about this poem and we're going to practice it. So our story goes like this. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. So I want you to say it with me. We've got some pom-poms to help us here. So with a 1, 2, 3. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. So what I want you to do is I want you to practice. I want you to practice using your base 10 blocks to help you answer these questions. Take your time, watch the video again if you need to, and then I'm going to show you one more step. Thank you. Alrighty, grade 2, now that you have been practicing really hard using your base 10 blocks, let's try and do it without base 10 blocks. We're going to just do the questions like we would in any other situation. So we have 63, take away 28. Let's organize our 1s and our 10s. Let's go to our 1s place because that's where we always start. We have 3, take away 8. Wow. Let's think about our poem. More on top, no need to stop. Do we have more on top? Is 3 more than 8? No, it's not. So what do? We need to go next door and get 10 more. So let's knock, knock, knock. 10s place. We need to borrow a group of 10 to organize into or regroup into our 1s place. So we need to show this. We're going to the 10s place. We're going to take one of those groups of 10. We want to show that if we had 6 and we take 1 away, we will have 5 groups of 10. We bring a group of 10 over and we add it to our 3. If we have 10 and 3 more, we get 13. So cross out my 3, show 13. 1 group of 10, 3 1s, because we've borrowed that group of 10 from the 10s place. Now, do we have more on top? We do. 13, take away 8. So if I have 13, I want to take away 8. I want to put 13 in my hand, and I'm going to take away 8 fingers. So 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 13 take away 8 equals 5. Now, let's go over to our 10s place. We have 5 10s, take away 2 10s. 5 take away 2, we know, equals 3. 5 10s take away 2 10s equals 3 10s. And that gives us the number 35. Let's try one more. If we have 55, and we're going to take away 17. Let's organize. 1s place, 10s place, split. And we want to show that we're taking away or doing subtraction. All right, more on top, no need to stop. 5, take away 7. Do we have more on top? No, we have more on the floor. If we have more on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Let's borrow a group of 10 from this 5. We now have 4 groups of 10 because we're going to bring 1 group of 10 over and give it or put it with the 5. If I have 5 and I add 10 more, I'm going to show it here. I now have 15. I've taken 1 group of 10, reorganized it or regrouped it here into the 1s place. Now I have 15. 15, take away 7. Well, I can do that. We did that earlier. 15 take away 7 equals 8. Go over to my 10s place now. 4 10s, take away 1 10, leaves me with 3 10s. Good? Okay, now let's do a different question. What happens if the numbers are the same in the 1s place? Like 67, take away 17. We organize, split, and we take a look. Hey, there is another part to our poem, and it goes like this. numbers are the same, then 0 is the game. If I have 7 and I take away 7, I'm going to have 0. 7 take away 7 equals 0. 0 is the game. If I have 6 tens, take away 1 10, I will have 5 tens. 67, take away 17, equals 50. Numbers are the same, then 0 is the game. Good. All right, let's do the poem all the way through. Let's get my pom-poms. And here we go. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Numbers are the same, then 0 is the game. Have fun, grade 2. Practice, practice, practice. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye.